Based on the reviews on Google Maps, how can I improve my restaurant business?
Focus on diversifying your menu and modernizing the dining environment.
Two veggie kimbaps, please.
Great choice. For here to go?
For here.
2 veggies for here.